Back to our channel Life Capture. Guess what? Yes, you're right. This is our 100th video and I wanted to make this video very special and different. So I thought, why not put up all different kinds of ideas to make different kinds of YouTube videos. You guys are showering us a lots and lots of love by watching all our videos, by sharing our videos, and the subscriber count is increasing every day, and really we are so happy that you are loving us so much. And I wanted to give back you all the love you show on us by doing a very different kind of a video which will be useful for people who are doing a YouTube channel right now, or it can be Instagram or anywhere that you are creating your content. Or if you are planning to start a new channel on YouTube, I guess this video will be very useful to you all. I'm really very thankful to everyone who are supporting us, and a very special thank you to all our subscribers for watching our videos and trusting us that we are giving you a very good content, and thank you so much. Before going into the video, if you are new to this channel, go and subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video. So let's just get right into the video. I have a bunch of ideas with me so that I can share them all with you. And these ideas are really pretty random, so I'd be very happy if any of my ideas are really helping you all. And sometimes an idea might spark your brain and you might also come up with a new idea. And don't forget to comment down if you have any other different kind of ideas, so that even I can try it, or if anyone else going through the comments, if they love it, they will surely try your idea. So the first idea in our YouTube video is showcase your talent. Each one of us has unique talent in ourselves, so it will be very good to showcase your talent, because you will learn from it and even others will find it very good to learn something new from others. The second idea in our video is motivational videos. So like for everyone to make videos or to do anything in their life, at any point of time, any person will need a motivation. So if you are good at speaking, then go for it. Third one is that you can make prank videos which are very funny and crazy, and if you are a crazy person, you should go on and make those videos. Fourth one is news updates. If you are a really very eagerly person to know everything what is happening in this world, then you can go on and make current affairs, that is, you can give daily updates on what is happening in this world around us. The next one is the gaming videos, that is, nowadays you see people are streaming live while playing games, and if you're very good at gaming, then you can share few tips how to tackle few difficulties in a game, and that would really help people who are very much interested in playing games. Something that makes everyone look beautiful is their hair, so you can also make hair care routine videos, and you can tell the benefits of each ingredients that you're going to use, and I guess this will be very helpful to you all. The next idea is what all are required to make YouTube videos, that is the tools required to make YouTube videos. So each one of us have use different kinds of tools. For example, I might use a camera, I might use a mobile, or I might use a tripod. You can make a video what all the tools that you're making to make a YouTube video. The next one is habits that change your life. The next video idea is recreating celebrity outfit ideas. The next idea is wedding series. So it can be about makeup or the outfits or how to decorate during a wedding series. The next idea is would you rather challenge. So for an idea, I have already made the video on this. So I will link this video in the description box below. The next one is life hacks for lazy people. It can be about anything that you do in your life, like kitchen. It might be in kitchen or for study. So there are so many ideas that you can do in this. The next one is what I got for my birthday. Wow, this sounds so good for me. So if you buy anything very unique or different, you can always share it with your audience. The next one is travel vlogs, and this is something most of us do because traveling is really, it boosts us up all. The next one is home tour. The next one is how to gain watch time in a week or a month. You can do anything like that. So because it's something everybody who has a YouTube channel will obviously watch it. So like you might get more views and more likes for those videos. Next one is unboxing videos. It can be either a mobile phone or any kind of products that you buy every day. Next one is cooking videos, because all of us love eating food, and every time you make any special recipes at your home, you can just take videos of them and post it. The next one is workout routine. If you're a fitness freak, then you can go for this idea. The next one is organizing my room, kitchen, bedroom or living room. It can be anything, or even your closet. The next one is morning skincare routine. The next one is watch collection video. The next one is how to make basic outfits to look cute. Next one is what I eat in a day. So everybody has a very different style of food eating habits. So like it might be healthy in like everybody have their own kind of diet. So you can share your diet routine in your videos. The next one is what's on my phone. So you can either show what are already there on your phone, or you can also introduce to people any kind of new apps that you are using in your phone. One is outfit collection videos. It can be dresses, tops, saris, kurtas. This is not only for girls, it can be done even by boys. The next one is how I edit my YouTube videos. This will really help out a lot of content creators out there, because each one of them has a unique way of editing. So if you share your tips, like really it will be very helpful for everyone. And I have already made a video like that, and I will link it in the description box below. Sister versus sister challenge. You can actually do a challenge with your brothers or sisters or your parents, or it can be with your friends too. The next one is 5 minutes craft videos. These are like way too popular these days. Everybody love to watch them. So if you make any videos like that, it will really blow up. How to get short videos famous. So you can tell people how your video got famous within a very short span of time. The next one is photo shoot ideas. That is, you can take pictures of yourself and show people how to take poses in different kinds of saris or in different places. And these days, like, people really watch these videos, so I guess even this will blow up a lot. Background music links without copyrights. So it's very difficult to find all the non-copyright music videos. So if you give to the audience most of them in one single video, it will be very easy for them. Or you can also make any music videos which are non-copyright. The next one is what's in my bag. So over here you can show your travel bag, or what's in your kids bag, or what's in your school bag, backpack, or when you're traveling somewhere. It can be anything. And the next one is no mirror makeup challenge, and I have also done a similar video like this, and I will link it up in the below description. Next one is thumbnail editing hacks. It is really very essential to know how to put up a thumbnail for your video to go viral. So it will help people if you share your knowledge to the audience how to create a thumbnail. Next one is handbag collection video. So you can either make it like a very affordable handbag collection video or expensive ones, or showing your most expensive bag in the videos. And I have also made a similar video, so I will link it in the description box below. The next one is pulling up an all-nighter. The next one is how to get ready in 5 minutes, 10 minutes or even 2 minutes. The next one is essentials you need in your daily life. You can include something that is very useful for you in your everyday life. The next one is product reviews, and I have made a plenty of them and I will link it in the description box below. The next one is benefits of vitamin C, E, or it can be anything, and you can also tell the what all gives you those vitamins and how is it useful to you all. And I have also made a similar video and I will link it in the description box below. The next one is earn money from home. I have recently made a video and I really feel that it is very helpful to everyone. Nowadays everyone are at home and it is not easy to earn money. So if you have any ideas that you can earn money from home, go ahead and share it. The next one is night skincare routine. The next video idea is how to de-stress. So these days everybody have their own tensions and stress in their daily lives. So if you have any way to bring them out from their stress, go for it and make plenty of videos for them. The next one is how to get coupons to buy anything for discount or free. The next one is recommending a TV show and Netflix or Prime videos, or it can be anything. The next one is gardening videos. These days everybody love planting trees and taking care of them. So if you know how to do them, you can always make a video and share it. Next one is a day vlog. The next one is best apps for editing videos or photos. The next one is makeup hacks. The next idea is how to get monetized on YouTube easily. The next one is blindfold makeup challenge. This is such a funny challenge that you have to try it because it will make you shabby and you will laugh out loud, and I have already made those videos. So yeah, I will link it in the description box below. The next one is testing viral hacks. These days we see people trying out different things and you can always test those hacks and say whether they are correct or not. The next one is budget friendly shopping. So you can share to your audience like how you bought your things in budget, and you can also share tips how to buy things in budget. The next one is how to start a successful YouTube channel in 2021. The next one is hairstyles video. The next idea is hacks to get your sleep early. The next one is DIYs. These are like everything and everybody try out these DIYs. The next one is makeup tutorials. If you're a makeup artist or if you love doing makeup, you can go for it and you can love making those videos. The next one is reacting to your childhood photos, or you can also recreate your childhood photos. And I have also recreated some of my childhood photos and I will also show them to you. The next one is how to gain subscribers on YouTube easily. You can also make a makeup collection video, your lipstick collection videos or your foundation collection videos. The next one is tech videos. There are so many channels who give us information how to use technology, that is how to use this mobile, or if you have any special tools in a mobile, you can always make videos. The next idea is truth or dare challenge video. This will create so much of fun when you play with a group of people, and you will also get to know about them. Yeah. The next one is how to plan to study before exams. The next one is educational videos. That is, if you are really very good at Python or any other subject, you can go on and make videos on that particular subject. The next one is 5 minutes hack videos. The next one is weight loss videos or how to lose weight videos, because people these days are sitting at home and gaining lots and lots of weight. If you have any tips and tricks to lose weight, go ahead and make videos. The next one is gadget collection video. So in a home there might be so many people and each one of us will have different kind of mobile or cameras. You can always film a video on gadgets. The next one is any particular app tutorials like KineMaster, how to use KineMaster, how to use InShots, how to use Instagram, how to use YouTube, and so on. The next one is places to visit in a particular place or in a particular season or particular time. The next one is nail art tutorials. The next one is YouTube struggles, or you can also do how I struggle to get monetized videos. The next one is things you need to do every day. The next one is never have I ever challenge, and you can also do this challenge on live videos so that you can interact with your audience and your subscribers. The next one is how to print on t-shirts or how to paint on t-shirt ideas. The next one is behind the screen videos, that is like how do you film like any funny videos, or you can also do how you film a video or how your surrounding looks while filming your video. The next one is how I customized my parents' saris or shirts, or you can always use your father's shirt and you can make something new outfit from that. So the next one is live streaming on YouTube. You can also upload your live streaming on Instagram or Snapchat. You can always upload those in the YouTube. The next one is festival special videos, that is for example, I have already made a Sankranti vlog, that is how we celebrate in Andhra. So if you are from any other country or state, you can always go ahead and educate people how the cultures are from your state. Next one is devotional videos, like there are so many devotional songs or how to do particular kind of pujas, or you can also make video on how to recite Bhagavad Gita and so on. The next one is expenses in a particular country, or how much do you need to spend for a month to live in a country. The next one is jewelry collection. It can be your chains or earrings, or it can be anything, your bracelets, or because like we people have so much of jewelry, or it can be also gold, silver, anything. The next one is short films. So people really tend to watch short films so much, and if you have a really very good idea or content for a short film, go ahead and make them. The next one is painting tutorials, and there are so many kinds of paintings that you can do. So if you're really very good at painting, then go ahead and make and teach people how to paint. Next one is giveaway videos. So you can always celebrate your achievements by giving away so many things to your subscribers or your viewers or your followers. It is really very good to show our love back to our subscribers. The next one is bloopers. You can always, there are so many bloopers behind every video, so you can go ahead and make blooper videos. The next one is decor ideas of videos, like it can be of anything, how to decorate your room or how to decorate your cupboard or how to decorate your study table and many more. Next one is self-pampering videos. If you love something for yourself and if you want to do it, you can go ahead and post it. Next one is pedicure and manicure videos, like you can give tips on what tools to use for those and how to do pedicure and manicure. You can also make a video on rules and regulations on YouTube. The next one is an outing with your friends or family, or when you travel for a picnic or anything. The next one is you can also make dance tutorial videos if you're really very good at dancing. The next one is how to reuse old clothes. So if you have something very old and if you have any idea on how to use them, go ahead and make videos. The Next one is how to play an instrument video. For example, if you're really very good at veena or guitar or piano, so you can always go ahead and make tutorials on from basics. If you also know how to play a particular song in an instrument, you can also go ahead and make them. The next one is intro video. That is, you can always introduce yourself, that how are you, what do you do, and what will you be posting, what will you be uploading, will you be doing it every day or in a particular time of a month or a day. It's mainly about you. The next one is good from waste videos. So if you have any waste at your home, you can always make something good from it. The last but not the least idea is 100 YouTube ideas on a 100th video, or 50 YouTube ideas on a 50th video. You can make something special on your very trending numbers. I hope you all loved this video, and if you haven't watched any of our videos, go ahead and watch it, and I will link down a playlist which contains all our videos, and you can watch anything from there. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.